AC gang, it's your girl Abbi and Capo is behind the camera. And guys, as you can see here, we're going on a little field trip, guys. So the next time you see us, we'll be at the location in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, we are back. We finally reached after a long journey.
Guys, it was about 3 hours.
Like it was 2 hours.
2 hours and
from
couple
Kingston
minutes.
to where we are right now. We are in Ocho Rios right now. We are Bueno at
We
Villa
are
Braco.
Village.
Let me see.
Guys, we just reached inside the room, so we're just going to give you guys a little tour of the room. It's very nice.
And as you can see on our hand, we have all inclusive.
All inclusive,
Yo.
but at.
All inclusive.
at.
I mean, what I mean? We
Free
don't.
food.
Yes, hear me, bro. We don't pay for shit.
Free food.
Everything is provided for us.
Free food.
Everything.
Free food.
Every single thing. No, give me a minute, guys. What is food? We have complimentary drinks. Our own little refrigerator. Even beer, actual beer in here. You see that?
Okay. And guys, this is the bed, right? I'm looking for you a big enough side because Capo sleep very bad. I'm going to give you a tour in the bathroom. So, alright, these are the robes, right?
They say that we can wear them or we can't take them.
But we can take the
I think I'm gonna take one though.
No, Capo, you can't say that.
I'm gonna take one.
And this is the iron, you know, Capo bring crushed clothes.
Oh wow. You actually have an
Iron board.
What is this?
And this is the safe where we keep
Oh.
our important documents.
Don't tell him.
Oh, don't.
Okay, so you said that we had some slippers as well, so I look for the slippers right now.
Yeah, because them so we can steal the slippers, guys. We can
No, we
steal
can
the
take them, not steal. We cannot steal them, we can take them.
slippers. So let's steal that.
Okay, I can't find them anyway, so I don't know where they are.
Alright.
But let's move on.
Ooh, okay. Ooh.
Ooh! Oh God. What? Come here, sir, man. Jesus Christ. Alright, there you go. Enjoy yourself.
Alright, guys, we're inside here. I want this pool.
What's this? What are you going inside? What's that?
This is a shower brush.
Shower?
Yeah, bro.
Wow, let me see what's going on in here. Go inside that one. I'm gonna wet your bin there.
Man, my drink white up in my wine. So, but my
Oh God. Slippery when my drum.
Alright, really, what is?
Oh, of course, this wouldn't be complete without a toilet. So yeah, it's a normal toilet, nothing fancy about the toilet.
A little nice.
A little nice, I love it. So
You know
it's
what
awesome.
again? What?
All inclusive. Woo! Look at her. The bed look so small.
Yeah.
It's a massive size bed. What that? Queen? What's that size? I don't even know. It's big though. Wait, me feeling. Oh God. Let's go see what's outside. Wonderful beach. What? When you reach out there.
Yeah, but you're late. Rocking chair.
Jesus Christ. Rock to my baby. Let's see what's going on. It's getting late. It's about after 6 now, so
This is just a little small intro for a little tour.
we're gonna give you probably tomorrow we'll give you more. I don't wanna give you more because I want it all for myself. But it's a beautiful place so far, you know. I'm excited. I'm glad to be here after a long journey.
Villa Braco Village Hotel.
It's looking great.
So, yeah, guys, again, thank you, Max, for this opportunity. We love it.
You want a Facebook?
Alright Alright guys, so make sure you hit the like button.
And subscribe to our channel if you're new, of course. Yeah. Share the videos if you enjoy them. We have a lot of videos on the channel, guys. So
we have a lot of videos coming, so
if
subscribe.
This is your first video.
Subscribe to this channel and subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
Also. And please share our videos if you enjoy them and tell a friend about our channel. And just grow with us and enjoy our company.
Guys, so AC Gang is out.
So see you guys tomorrow as we continue the vlog.